Food fixes everything. All right, show me your hunting face. Not you. You're still grounded. Come on, Thunk.
My feet hurt.
Ow! Ow. You look tense.
I'm not tense.
Angry girl wants to be doing what they're doing.
Ow! I wasn't ready!
Hang on, Thunk. I'm coming.
Why are you doing this?
What are they doing?
Hunting.
You stay away from me!
No, seriously, what are they doing?
You got a ton of eggs! Just make another egg! Now you're just rubbing it in.
There. Who's hungry for scorpion?
Oh. What happened to the egg and the bird?
We lost him. But when the bird stepped on me and pushed me into the ground, the scorpion grabbed a hold of me, and, one thing led to another, and here we are eating him. So, win-win.
Not enough. Not enough. I need more. I need more.
Oh, look at that. She's not gonna eat me, right?
You're too skinny. If she was gonna eat anyone, it would be...
Oh, she's lost her job! Get a stick! Get a stick! Stay away from her! Oh, you sick old monster! Hurry! Put the stick in her mouth!
Hold her
Why are you rolling away?
I just want something to eat.
You have bug for dinner. Plenty of bug.
Please. I'll let you help me hunt.
Really?
She's gone without me! Don't wait on me! They're all over me! Tell my story.
Okay.
What do you call this?
A trap.
What does it do?
Well. Ta-da!
How long have you been alone? So what do we do?
Ooh. How's your acting? You're good at this. No, sorry. No. Okay. Oh, that's yours.
Your other
That's
my arm. That's my...
Okay, I'm moving it. I'm. All right. Going under.
Didn't step in your trappy thing.
Yeah, I know that.
Where's Eep?
She's awesome.
Eep!
Dad, no!
It's an avalanche of flavors!
Oh.